Okay, hello Dr. K. Please let me explain my homework 6.5 is from Arduino Book 2.2.50. So the topic of this research is Arduino based interactive system. It's about LCD and macro keypad integration. So, firstly, the objective of this research. The primary objective is implement a Mark-train keypad input interactive display system. The key goals is develop real-time input visualization on LCD and establish basic human-machine interface framework and provide foundation for application like password locks, calculators, and manual control system. So the content of the research is core technology covered LCD display driven and control isolates and operate 16 multiplied to character LCD and matrix keypad scanning and recognizing 4 multiplied 3 keypad, the detecting and the key value reading. Then is human-computer interaction logic. Is input processing display interaction model and multiply feedback coordination simulation management of LCD and keypad communication. Okay, then how to connect the hardware LCD. So you can see LCDR is connect to the Arduino pin 12 and LCD enable connected to the Arduino pins 11 and LCD-D4 connected to the Arduino pin 5 and LCD-D5 connected to the Arduino pin 4 and the LCD-D6 connect to the Arduino pin 3 and the LCD-D7 connected to the Arduino pin 2 and the power connection LCD VCC connect to the 5 volt and LCD ground connect to ground. So the keypad connection, the row 0 to the pin 25, the row 1 to the pin 24, and the row 2 to the pin 23, and the row 3 to the pin 22, and the conclusion lines. The conclusion 0 connect to the pin 28. The conclusion 1 connect to the pin 27, and the conclusion 2 connect to the pin 26. Okay, then is implementation process initialization. The setup phase. System startup execute setup function and LCD initialization configures 16 characters multiplied 2-line display mode and the initial display shows fixed text director.m on the first line. So the main loop function, you can see the operational flow, continuous matrix keypad scanning for key presses and the key detection, identified valid key press and retrievals corresponding character value. The display control move cursor to second line starting position, and the output is display pressed key character on LCD second line. The loop communicate is persistent waiting for subsequent key inputs. So we can see the code. The library is LCD control library and the keypad heading library. So we should first define the LCD is 12.11.5432 and define the keypad cost bit rows equal to 4 and cross is 3 and we should chart the key function. So we can see the code. Then we should create our setup function. We should define the LCD beginning and so on. Then we create a loop function and we use a key equal to keypad dot get key. So if key not yes or not equal to no key, this function will be run. Okay, so the finisher of this code is real-time response with no blanking key detecting and simple institution interaction logic and so strong extensibility for additional functioning. The issues may be display override on second line, lack of input feedback, machine learning, and limited special key functionality. And the application extension, so we can use a password input system or simple calculators and or manual negative interface or data intra interface. So that's all. Thank you very much.